Hey class, this is Mr. Roberts with a brief explanation of what you should be doing to study for, prepare for the fall final. Um, I have a few assignments that look like this. They're posted on Aries, and I just want to talk to you about what they mean. So this is the first group, and you need to begin on page 23. Once you're there, there's two examples on page 23, example number 3 and example 4. It's not a matter of simply copying down the examples, but here's what I'd like for you to do with those. Let's go to that page. So here's page 23. On this page, there's two examples. Example number 3 right up here, and example 4 below. Example 3 is about rationalizing the denominator. So, looking at expressions that involve square roots and simplifying them. A simplified radical doesn't have a radical sign in its denominator. So you can see in example A and B, what we've done is we've multiplied by the square root of 3 over 3, which is equal to 1, to get the radical out of the denominator. So we end up with 2 root 6 over root 3. Same thing in part example B. That root 18, if I take 18 and multiply it by 2, it becomes 36. And you can look at 18 as, it's 2 times 9. 9 is already a perfect square, so I've got an extra factor of 2. So I only need to multiply that one by root 2 over root 2. When I do that, I end up getting root 16 over 6. Root 16 is of course 4, so that's 2/3. Your assignment then is to do the two problems right below that example. So for example 3, you need to do 3a and 3b. And those are the assignments that I want to see. I want to see those two done on your homework paper. Same thing for down below example number 4. You need to do study carefully examples A and B, but then do 4A and 4B for your assignment. And that's how all of these will work, right? So when you go to page number 36, it has only one example I need you to look at, example 3, and then do the two exercises right below that. Sometimes there's 3. The color changes here indicate that we're changing a chapter. So the red group are for chapter 1. Then we should roll into chapter 2. This should be all of chapter 3, and I think there's just 1 in chapter 4 for right now. So do this assignment this evening, and we'll talk about these tomorrow in class. Thank you.